Puneet, and my partner Tushar Agarwal, and he is mastermind behind everything, and he's the one looking into development of Quantify 2.2, and all of us, we all are family, and we wish that with this seminar, all of us by end of this seminar, all of us start getting consistent profits on daily basis, right? In trading, it is all about having mental control. There are so many courses related to stock market wherein you will be finding that they are selling you courses worth like 7 lakh. Even there are courses worth 10 lakh also. There are courses worth more than 1 lakh also. But the problem is, that's where you'll be finding that output is comparatively lesser. Why the output is lesser? Because not everyone is able to grab things properly. Not everyone is able to control their mind accordingly, right? So we want all of you to start controlling your mind from this point onwards. We want all of you to gain as much knowledge from this trading boot camp. We'll guide you on we'll give you guidance on a lot of things related to stock market. We'll give you guidance on having a proper trading strategy, following proper trading rules, and having a right mindset while doing trading. Will be and there will be some time wherein once for example, let's say Rakesh Verma ji, if you have taken any trade and at any point of time, let's say you are running into losses and all of a sudden you start getting panic, I want you to call me immediately so that I can shout on you, right?
And I'll speak honestly, I came here to make money and party hard. That's it. And I am very excited to see the new 2.0 tool, which I call it as a spoon feeding tool. So I'm looking forward to it, and I'm very glad I met you guys here. And we are looking forward for more boot camps, not only in India, but outside India also. Next year, like January, February, we will plan for like somewhere like Maldives or Thailand somewhere. Hope such.
We will go everywhere.
Yeah. Thanks.
This is Somam from Patna, Bihar. By profession, I am a full stack developer. So I started trading I think 10 months back, and like Bhavneet sir given a proper guidance, everything. And from the boot camp, expectations is to learn and to enhance my skills, to work on my psychology, and the most important thing which we all lack as far as I know, how to hold your positions, how to hold your winning streaks, and how to cut your losing streaks, and how to prove that if you are wrong, you should just cut the positions, how to work on these things. So I came over here to learn and will keep learning.
Here I look forward to master intraday more. Although I am making consistent profits since January 2021, it has been a really good journey so far. Earlier it was kind of roller coaster journey for me. I made a lot of mistakes, a lot of drawdowns. At times I as I mentioned in one of my video testimonial as well, I literally thought of quitting the trading business. But then I bounced back with confidence, and today I am confident that I am making consistent profits. I have almost recovered all my losses, and I am in profit of around I would say 8 lakhs so far last 6-7 months. And, I have a target. I have shared my plan as well for 1 year, that what is my capital going to be, and yes, I look forward for a lot of learnings from this bootcamp, and I'm sure we all will take away a lot of good learnings and skills, and will be most successful traders in our career.
ये आपको कभी फेल नहीं करेगी सर. Maximum number of times you will be finding yourself to be having bigger and better profits if you are able to handle your trades properly. If you are not able to handle your trade properly, then even price action also cannot help you. Even indicators also cannot help you, right? Even order flow can also not help you. So remember that, handle your trades properly, so price action will definitely give you profits in longer run, right? Indicators, why price action trading? Because there is another alternative to it which is very popular, that is called as indicator based trading. And what those indicators based, as I explained you just few minutes back, indicator based trading is basically telling you only one thing, that whatever that has happened in the past, we are doing calculation on that part. So that's why they are lagging in nature. Indicators are deriving their value from the prices. So why utilize indicators? Why not simply read the prices? अभी लव कुमार से हमने जब बात करी थी downtrend. Is there any continuation on this downtrend till now? No continuation. So do you have any entry? Can you avoid this stop? पूरा इसी मदर कैंडल के बीच में ही पूरा दिन ट्रेड हो रहा है, राइट? So a smart trader can avoid stocks like this also. नॉन कन्वेंशनल में कन्वर्ट हो गया और आपका लॉस क्रिएट कर गया. हाँ
और फिर नेक्स्ट कैंडल सेम कंटिन्यूशन हो रहा है, हायर है हायर.
हाँ
फिर उसके बाद यहाँ पे नॉन कन्वेंशन.
हाँ.
ये अगर ये कैंडल नहीं मिलेंगे इसके अंदर ये इसके अंदर के कैंडल. बट अगर ये कैंडल देखें तो
ये यहाँ पर ब्रेक करा सर, इस कैंडल के लो को आई थिंक यहाँ पर ब्रेक कर दिया है, राइट? यहाँ पर ब्रेक करके लोअर हाई लोअर लो का स्मॉल स्मॉल दो कैंडल का फॉर्मेशन बना है. और अगर इसके नीचे आप जाते हैं कॉन्टिन्यूएशन यहाँ पर आती है, तो दैट कम्स एंट्री अगेन.
ये वाला यहाँ पे
No, I immediately got call. No, I got it.
39,300 man waiting.
ये हो गया सर, देखिए स्कैल्प मारा अभी, ये हो गया. This much.
8,700 lovely. हाँ सर बताइए. निकाल दिया. साइन ट्रेगर Hundred percent potential cannot be achieved. That is again another myth. Because we don't even know how much potential we have. So there is nothing called as 100% potential. You have reached your 100% potential. There is only one thing that I believe in. That you are key to your success and you are born intelligent with unlimited potential. So if you have unlimited potential, there is no limit on there is no upper cap. Upper cap नहीं है वहाँ पर, 100% नाम का कुछ नहीं है, right? Unlimited है. It is just that how much you are able to increase your potential in stock market. Just keep on upgrading, keep on. Till date also, I also keep on upgrading myself with time. जैसे जैसे टाइम चेंज होता रहता है, हम भी अपने पोटेंशियल को चेंज करते रहते हैं, उस हिसाब से अपने पोटेंशियल को इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश करते हैं. We also try to upgrade ourselves with time, with changing scenario of market. For example, when coronavirus time came, during that time, I personally made very big money. In fact, Vijay was also part of it. He also made very good money. Daily basis, we used to trade in Bank Nifty futures, and there was only one condition at that point of time: high delta in order flow, buy high delta in imbalances in order flow, straight away buy above it, keep a stop loss of 100 point, target of 100 point, 200 point, so on and so forth. 200 quantity leverages चल रही थी उस टाइम पर. 200 quantity, 300 quantity, 400 quantity, 600 quantity, कोई डर नहीं है. Profits 20, 30, 40 accordingly, right? So we made good money. Even during expiry days also at that point of time, we made good money.
I would say I started off this with as a side hustle, and Bhavani sir taught us a lot of tricks, techniques, basically how an employee can still make take trades in the market while being on the job. So this helped me a lot. So yeah, that's all from my end.
Welcome sir, and so just give your feedback about our bootcamp. How was your experience with us?
It was very nice experience. I have learned many things about the trading psychology and what needs to be done, how the setup has to be while taking the trade. And Bhavani sir helped me a lot during this bootcamp. So I'm very much enjoying, and it was one of the best decisions that I have made. Come over here, learn some extra things. So that's all.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving your time. So now I'm going to welcome, sir. So how was your experience, sir, with us about the Goa Bootcamp?
It's a unique experience. It was a lifetime experience for me. I learned the trading psychology, and Bhavneet sir, he focuses mainly on the psychology of a trader, and he boosts confidence in the trading of an individual.
Perfect. Thank you, sir. Welcome. How was your experience, sir, with us in Goa Bootcamp? What are the special things you have learned from us?
First of all, thank you. And this is the first bootcamp which I attended, and I have seen that a lot of development in myself by attending Bhavneet sir's seminar here, and he was mostly focusing on the how to trade, when to trade, and when not to trade. Definitely, it has changed my mind regarding the trading, and it is really life-changing experience I have seen.
Yeah.